Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing. A shallow swing often shows a low clubhead plane and an early hand release at impact, so we must see evidence before changing technique. Set up with feet shoulder width, one ball forward of center, and a 5-degree forward shaft lean to create consistent posture. Record a slow motion view from down the line to confirm the club shaft points toward the target at address. Check takeaway path. If the club moves inside the target line within the first 12 inches, you have a shallow plane to correct. Implement the single plane toe-up drill as the only corrective method. It forces a steeper arc and delays hand release so the club arrives on plane. Grip softly, hinge the lead wrist, and make 10 slow swings with the lead wrist flat until the club reaches a toe-up position at the top. This creates proper wrist set and club face awareness. During each rep, keep chest rotation 16:9 relative to your spine angle, and maintain weight slightly favoring the lead foot by about 10% for balance sequencing. Integrate the drill into your full swing by starting each session with 3 toe-up reps. Then hit 15 half swings focusing on elbow-to-rib connection to maintain plane and sequence. Progress to full shots only when half swings produce consistent toe-up positions at the top. On full shots, feel the club drop inside on the downswing and reach impact with hands ahead 2 to 3 inches to prevent flipping. Practice this sequence 3 times weekly for 4 weeks to ingrain the steeper plane, then reassess with down-the-line video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.